What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, we already have some stuff and we have the car jacked up with some stands, and we're gonna let you know what we are doing today. So today, guys, we are getting ready to take the car on the first drive. I'm super excited. We could roll the car out right now and just go, but I want to do a couple of things. I want to drain the oil because this oil was changed at 117,000 miles and now the car has 119,000 miles. So it's not past the mileage range, but the car's been down for like a year and the oil's been sitting. So I want to drain it, put some new fresh stuff. If you guys are wondering, this is what I use. Mobil 1 full synthetic. It's high mileage, 10W30 Motorcraft filter. If you guys are wondering why I use 10W30, it's just a thicker oil and it runs good for my setup. Usually when I'm driving the car, I'm beating on it, so I want a thicker, better oil in there. So always use Mobil 1. Never has have an issue. And now, guys, as you guys can tell, we got some new headlights. So we want to put these on also, just because these are yellow. I've had these for a couple years. I'm gonna see if I could bring back the lens because these are yellow as well. It's just from sitting out in the sun. So I'm gonna throw these on. There's gonna be a big contrast between these and these. So yeah, these are going. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them. The other ones are in the back. I custom did those. They're all black. So I love the black housing, but I think the smoked housings will look good also. I really hate that orange reflector, but it'll do. So see what I can do about restoring these and the lens here. See if I can get some of that yellow off of it. These are Ox Beam off-road 4-inch lights. You guys are always wondering why these lights fit so good in the bumper. That's what I bought. These brackets are custom made, so don't really ask about those. And we're gonna put the bumper back on today. So we have a lot of work to do, guys. Let's get to it and let's take this thing on the first drive, man. I can't wait. Let's go. So the oil does look pretty dark for only being a couple thousand miles old. So I'm glad I'm changing it. This washer, I didn't buy another washer, so hopefully it doesn't leak whenever I get the new one, whenever I put the new oil in. So one quick tip I want to give you guys is always lube your O-rings. These are just for the beginners, guys. You older guys don't gotta listen, but always lube your O-ring, and I like to put my mileage on there. That way you can see it. So the next time you go and change your oil, as you guys can see, 117. This thing is heavy compared to this one. It's full of oil. So yeah, mark it. That way you guys can see. Look at the mess these Ford engineers made. So yeah, and I know my oil pan's rusty. Shit sucks. But yeah, let's get this thing done. While we're letting it drain, got the headlights out. We're gonna install the new ones, guys. Knocking two birds out with one stone. Let's get it. As you guys can tell, it's freaking raining now. God bless, guys. I got the shop and I'm not getting rained on. If we were at the house, I'd be getting rained on and I couldn't do anything, but just finished up the oil change, guys. Now we're gonna switch over to doing the headlights. Another little trick I got for you guys. I've swapped my headlights a couple of times. From the new headlights to the old headlights, you guys can see it's the crappy 3-prong design. I usually like to turn these. See how this one's all the way bottomed out? This was a good setting for the light setting. I usually just turn that one all the way and try to match them as well. So once you're in the car, you don't have to adjust them. They're already pre-adjusted, you know what I mean? So another little trick for you guys. As you guys can see, bumper's back on. Man, it's been a long time since I've seen this thing with the bumper on. Looks damn good. Go ahead and take these covers off. Woo! And I think it'll look a lot better once these yellow fogs are clear again. I'll just buy some new ones if I have to, but Let's close the hood and get a little shot for you guys. We are in the car, guys. Finally, as you guys can hear, the AC is blowing, super cold. There's still a bunch of Freon in the system. That's good because it sat for a while. This car has like no gas in it. This is the same gas it had back in December. So we need to put some fresh gas in this thing. Take it for a little spin. It's gonna be the first time on the road. It's my first time going out of first gear on the road. Still a ton of rust in the calipers. I thought about kind of sanding, the rotors. I thought about sanding the rotors a little bit, but we're just gonna take it for a spin, man, and we're gonna go ahead and put some miles on this clutch, man. So we gotta take it easy. We'll see what the speedometer does, because as you guys know, the TR3650 compared to the T45 is an electric speedo, and the T45 is a mechanical. So I know the speedo is going to be off a ton. Right now we're moving and it says we're going about 25, so yeah, it's way off. Alright, so it says we're going 160 right now. So the speedo is gonna pick up a lot of mileage quick, so I don't know what we should do about that. Oh my god, this feels ridiculous, guys. Wow. This feels crazy, guys. I can't believe we were freaking driving this thing again. Wow. I'm amazed. I don't know what to say. I'm just gonna put a little bit of gas here because I don't know how good it is. It says Circle K gas, so. Yep. Driving, man, I can't believe it. We were freaking driving. It feels crazy to be in this car. It feels like I'm in a tiny, tiny car. This feels ridiculous. I don't hear no noise from the transmission. It's shifting good. It feels good. Everything feels damn good, man. This car feels tiny. It's crazy that I used to drive this car on the daily, and now it just feels freaking tiny. So Hanlon Motorsports told me to don't go high in the RPM while you're breaking it in. So I'm shifting at like 2 grand. I'm shifting at like 2 grand right now. So we're in fifth, 1,500 RPMs. I hope it's not too loud, guys. That drone from those mufflers is crazy because it's still dumped at the axle. So we're driving, man. It feels good. We're gonna go back over here. Guys, I have no doubt in my mind like this transmission is gonna be great. It's gonna drive awesome. And if it doesn't, my boys at Hanlon Motorsports got me. Fingers crossed that we don't have to pull it out. Here's my pops. Alright, so I closed the garage because I wanted to see how the headlights looked, and obviously it's too much to the left. So the right side's kind of flickering a little bit, so it might be time for some new ones. The smoked housings look great. I posted it on my Instagram before this video even went up, guys, and all of you guys are blowing me up asking where I got the headlights from, so leave them in the description. They're just some cheap Amazon ones, man. They look really good though. So go pick yourself up some if you want. I usually don't be plugging other people's stuff because they didn't send me them out. I bought them, but for you guys, I'm gonna hook y'all up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up, man. I appreciate it. A little something extra for you guys that stay towards the end. Do you guys want to make money? This is not a scam, nothing like that. If you guys want to make money, come next video, go down to the subscribe button down below, and a little bit to the right there will be a little bell icon. Hit that bell icon and make sure you put all notifications are on. The reason I'm telling you guys to do that is because every single time I upload, it will send a notification to your phone and you guys will know when I upload. I upload every single Sunday at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time, but you know, we get ahead of ourselves, and I know everyone has a life, guys, but go ahead and hit that. Whoever is first to comment on my next video, I will personally cash app you guys 20-30 bucks. I'll pay for your guys' dinner. If you guys want free dinner on your boy 4.6, get ready for the next video, 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. Make sure you have those notifications on, and I will personally send you guys over some money. They just, you know, make it fun, guys. So see you guys on the next one. It's your boy 4.6Chris. Let's get it, boys. She's back. Peace.